bejo emu ya bendo so be breto no bejo mama yin time boni ye tani benya osra yin mind onya me di me bi yin time yesu e we di me bi yin time onya me di me bi yin time yesu e we di me bi yin time bini down we ba kaya be bo bo ye ho bini down we ba kaya be bo bo ye ho so be ba no pa
eno ne ye frɛ na wie ye mre no end point anopai end point homeopathic clinic kan ye ho na anopai ye de friend say Ghana today say de be hu say de Ghana tie ene enkrata ne de bia ba bia si nyina pa no nso bi gu so nemo ye be kasa ho ntene kasa na kira mineral water anopai waso ye mu say adehia won mu wo Techima ene na afa nyina bono East afa ho no 106.1 wono mo entie nsem papa no anopei sompa ne mu 90.7 nkransa wono mo ntie sompapa no ana wono ma wo takura di nyina so 103.3 wono mo mfa nsem pa no na anopei no yenya atena sie ayesente so wono nkonnante se tie bia emframa di akire Manfuna tena se square wa ha. Man kuma chia me wo fidue mu ha. Ya se nyina pa no so nso ye wo so. Enti ya no wo hia yen wo ho. Ho utimi de wadwen kire wo nkanto so na ode hye bi su di na wo da na de afa ho no ya ne fefefe de ama wo. Enti yan kan kwa akiri no. Ebusua akwanya beba mo abo awuram. 0260196064 0260196065 Oba yes e wutie sompa no na emom unya ho se ya peke wa na wadwem wa fidie no se de be ya obetimi akasa ma ya te wo nka ye na wankwa nkosisi obi aso na ne tie nso ayede enye pese yenko yeka triple man eja pia Apam Dadaa yaw ene yaba yaw ne yaja o hane sana swati ni no Black Stars for dana se no oduman kuma chame watena se na World Cup na yebo no wode ato na koko na Esquire anso atena se busa fo mo kwaba
yeja
yeah we bru sometime
ya mama congratulations with sheda mi pe yo nyesa
Black Stars
Black Stars for atumi awene one
ne no am ko ye we
some ka say yen support
say
no tie bompa ye
na ye nyina ye kan say
pa ye ne ye adwuma
ye nyina ye kan say eno a adwa kan say be one go different ana me so me kan say wo mo ahyabro so na ye 2-1 anya say ye 1-0 bisa bitmice no ye kan say me wo newsroom ho
okay
nanso say ne Panama fo ye omi ni omo ye omi omo she 99 kran ko mo nye hwe
enso omo ntimi
ena me say Black Stars no one no wo she yi say nka 99 kran no she kran ko anye hwe team na sa mo me nka nkere o na Jordan you di lazy attitude edi na park so
eja ye said ye you say lazy team wo said ye you
odi kosia England obe she obe 19
ye be she wo mo
Croatia so be she obe 17
ye be she wo mo
say
ye be she wo mo
ye wo pe na ade keka obi ano wo ye nwonwo ana na ho tete no enti omo de keka wa ye de nwonwo be hia won ahye won akokono bete etimewi abede ye de dade na epo
nti why na ekwa we ade na de
Black Stars
o ko say England say
simple
eja
o ko say Croatia
ne mo Black Stars na ba so
I just focus on Ghana correct
Bright Stars
fine
Bright Stars
madam for me the girl say Ghana Black Stars of Ghana
my idea odo
Bright Stars
o ma san do
one enkura ne ya ade a Omo ya de no wabo o maba so no wa kire wo say wo mo nyini won ho
more room for improvement.
Wo mo mpem nkom anim more room for improvement and na madam aka no enti Facebook live no Sompa 106.5 Shannon so Sompa Accra 106.5
Ejayensi subio
Sompa Accra
106.5 Sompa Accra 106.5 fa on kanto so ne fa ho
okay
se blasters boy on ni ya de fa ho
Intineja
the omuboy
we
Sompa Accra
as a
106.5
as a Kuntunji United and Tontonti United
ye ni nyina ye
still
more room for improvement
wala
more room for improvement na say eja your friends say see ano niema bi because wa me yenya say bia na minim
o just no
say ofre bi da me suo say din ade o
ya na yi kire wo
me say
o boss wa na edem
so far me first game no
yeah
me first game
okay
World Cup opening match me ye no free ho matches a ya boy nyina me predictions are me did my and
now the first game no now say South Africa be win ana
there be and ye general a year ye cry because of the SC
na universe no cry ni so be lose
exactly ye cry ya come kire etia wo mo ane ade it and ye ni se kwan bia so be ko e de ama Mexico fu enti we no so far the abanyina entompa ho
ni nyina dem
enti anura na yi ka kire me say eyi bretu na na
what study say predictions
ni nyina wo de Adwoa de ekoi wo pa nka enura no hihye adwuma no men hihye adwuma no
okay
na wo de be
semfo no bebo aba so no
o say no say under 1.5
anka mi di be e bi a be 1003 bi kwa na 1005 bi na me say obretu ni aka de no kura wo mu ba me no ma se ma bra bo no so ma steady me life na hu se me life no ni enipa ewiase bu ni normal di obi ye bia wo fa ne hudie no Adwoa me ko ye bia na me ho a kire me
okay
nyame de me be scapegoat
no kre nti o
me na me ka kire wo ye de me be scapegoat sesi a enti no de ma me entina ba bia metena we ya hye wani eja mitwa bet na nke ye be hye ye fomfram me na me ka kire wo
no kre
enti ni me bi wo ho a
any of friend that
who an why ye den what baby afa because me person ya me dem be scapegoat
on fa sam no nko o ye se wo do gi na wi ehwe ba bi e de no ko fa still sound by this anetie odoman ko nti we still answer wani
dia
ni o mu ye
but more room for improvement
sase we na mo ka I say ejabi wo ejabi ti ase sa na mo pese mo ka kire wo mu yi
more room for improvement
mo na mo ka say
ejabi me ka say match no Obrempong utie me prediction na even 1-0 na me de buy me catch o me say ye nya ne fo
yeah
me ka say match na enya fo ma Black Stars
but sa enya
abamu ana o she go yin so no say mo nhye dante ne nka
kalabirnji na ne ani we so no ana Sanchez awan go ne ma ye onipa o man assist no nipa kro na ne san man assist nra
yes so no kra na nke say a man of the match no
okay
kalabirnji
any oni mo mame a minute of silence
yeah
and Ghana ne Panama
right
what expectations no predictions.
Okay, so game ni de enye boko sanfa magana teams ni mi nyina and I think say oma hoden no e match ne emu be tough kakra. However, I think say Ghana beat me pull it through looking at team no ayekita na ne ade nti we are hoping say nkunimdi e beko. If you are talking about say I am predictive BBDA then I think say one goal na Ghana de be win Panama nti either say 1-0 and say 2-1 the besi wo match ni mu
ejenie
true
Tafi what you say Panama the local based players
and now be kind say when I heard the every nyina ne say be din kunim na Panama ne Ghana one say I say dino cry ramiu Panama for no fire infante for mu free afam ha ya nti ya nkrofo ta omu coach ne Thomas Christiansen nti so Ghana ha ya nka ode ofri hemfa infante ho na ye wo Tony Rich Bitmice nti ya yenkrofo Ghana no ayete se buruja de hu twie ya o ya wo de so nti wo mo ebeba ye hu bia se ye jereja ye hu ne ye wea ne ne bebo no obeduru akiri pa na ye de nkakra nso ya na ye goals no no de be sha se bu se ye se dudu bia no anhwa ye nkyere ye bafie ne mo ye de ne maako ne mienu a ye bepema ko ye nim ye ya ha de ya na one goal no se asamo agyan wo mu a nke ne meka se ye hye wan ya ebetimi ekutemu a de akọ ene se omo yire omo ho na omo Ghana di kan sha ye ntimi kura be hye omo be semiensa omo so se omo so nyanwe a omo pe se ye yire ye hutimi hye omo miensa ye kan ye todwem ne ye jama omo hye ye ba ko na janka ye tre white Ghana ne pese o hwene
wine no still
na one no
tre wine and so still no they are my bet wine no
say nim ho no di kan kan
one go no ne yare you
one go project nti we say England be show 4 be show 1
Debbie
Croatia be show 3 be show 1
Debbie ya mofu ma no nka sempa
oh Debbie ka no kore ne tire onua
na sa no kore ne ya aka no na sa ya aka no kore ne say ya bo ma baso but more room for improvement
eno ye jebi we jebi ti ase ye de da rusia
ye say enu ago ne ye frɛ na nyameche
na say do de nyambe mu de awurade jimi say ya petre ya na nyameche abefa ho
yona ne ayi bonsu no
o team nasa name team no liability o team no ye Jordan Ayew o pass see e ma ye nyai bibia na bie phone lines so bia nka se Jordan Ayew ne bo team ni form o ma ne pass ya o gina ho gina so say ya no aja ne ho atofom na o ma fa bo ne ko ase do mpeni ni name Jordan Ayew eno abehe Patrick ha onyanko be wura TV no
start ntia
but it's all good
anope me wo Ghanaian Times
and the football ne ho adwuma ne ye be ye wo Ghana no so ntino
me wo Ghanaian Times na Ghanaian Times no me hwe nim hwe akire no wo ha wan hwe ball ni bi
ebi edu ho so we print awie do da eja
oh eye eno ye Ghanaian Times wo
oh de
na Daily Democrat
me so me wo Chronicle me so me wo Chronicle aha odon so kra
wan hwe bi
oh no kra wan hwe
omo de bai
no wan hwe but Daily Post asa table ni su nyina en wasan se
me sa table na asa
was o de hwe se wo de ka mu zoom pa
and Esquire
but ono de o hwe bo ni
women empowerment for you
right say eja yadoma adiwe ni ho nkomo nti ne de ye two stories each na ye bobo headlines in so na ye nkom too much give to your worry trial banker admits NIB fraud probe oko page 3 e wo daily guide mu a ne pacho obetimi akenkan bi e wo ho Baumia appoints Chei Mensa Bonsu chief of staff enti eno ho asem e wo Baumia appoints Chei Mensa Bonsu chief of staff
chief of staff for day
what's the chief of staff for day
so di mampanyina
you ready
akwa mo aboaten
yeah repeat it akramu
akwa mo aboaten Baumia be the president ndi se wodi a
o see Dr. Mahmoud Baumia has restructured his post-election office and appointed former majority leader Osei Mensa Bonsu as chief of staff as part of efforts to strengthen preparations for the party's future political activities.
Tony, one video be am de ma we.
Okay.
Fa madwa na won ha dey
no.
Under the new arrangements, Mr. Chei Mensa Bonsu will coordinate all operational activities within Dr. Baumia's office, placing him at the center of the former vice president's political administrative operations.
Tony, why ready of her so na join her the mama sisi ha.
Okay.
I feel na dey
political administration.
Into when we are gearing towards victory 2028. Oze.
Wona hwan?
Meneo.
Me.
Ani apam.
Me dem nka ho.
Wow.
Nana mama can't just do me serious.
We are jeering.
Na nye serious ni bi no.
Em before.
Say yes say akura o beto kai no. Onyina o beto kai no wona mo a. no was say home pempra no.
Yeah, political party ba ko Ghana how munye serious.
Oh hey, enyu omonko a.
Omunye serious ba ku si.
And no be o serious no anopa because so say Black Stars enye serious.
Black Stars nye serious, MPP nye serious, Aban not is so nye serious.
Enti we say no one is serious no.
Why? Na why na ka say munu munye serious.
Hey, mami komani wey.
Sompa dey serious so anopa ye den krata no.
Good God, Ghana Armed Forces Forestry Commission signed 35 million Ghana cedis tunnel forest rescue deal. Rescue deal.
Omo forest no.
Rescue deal.
We do rescue ampa.
Nti mo nshene so. Sevilla Hospital nears completion. Ashanti Regional Minister. Yes, mo de mo some few weeks. Oh, you be operationalize no. Na masuma dwomo. Na nkrofo bi de nra match ne koto atopre but o ya we de. Nyame na eboa wo mo e ka de.
Anka ebodi wo mo.
Enke
kom betete
to fa ho. I'll quit acting if Black Stars don't qualify.
Hey,
win.
Ehuni ba kro kan.
Win.
Wizzy.
Wofa
Wizzy Empire.
Wizzy Empire.
Oh, okay.
Na me se nieme bi wo ho a wo hu. Yemfa.
Some the title you saying.
O say.
Movie some movie now you the title you saying.
Movie bendo. Enye movie.
Sir.
Enye movie. Eh interview, radio interview o ye.
Oh, okay.
Eniwe bi wo ho eja.
Na se de na ni popo bana no ha na ni kasem no.
So Black
Ghana qualify obey jai movie acting.
Afi obehe na abu akam.
Onu mo bi ope movie na jai do.
Are Black Stars team qualifier na.
Ewe.
Daily Democrat. Government distributes 40,000 bags of fertilizer and drones to farmers.
Hey.
Every kupuku na nimfo nyini dai. Agric minister.
Okay, nte ekuafo na bi abenya drone bi.
Na 40,000.
Yeah, the code room man 40,000 ebeso.
No abuse.
Man kese yeso.
Say dem busa wi.
No ye no fun kwa south mai.
Okay. No abuse in big push contracts. Presidency report.
Okay.
We don't mean kumbi because pesa mene kwa kubenya eibia biemu. Lands Ministry launches task force to protect state lands. You see, aban sa ase no.
Or the landguard for your call.
Amanfo
Landguard for your course.
Enye landguard you. Task force.
Oh, okay.
Official task force.
17 member task force.
See, aban sa ase no nkrofo bi. Epeso wo mo jebos. Wo wia ni ye ton. Ni ye ton bi.
Abra anya ne dia.
Ye gibi boso. Eni ade. Enti ya te task force a wo mo ba be protect science ase no. We ye sika say ye in Jesus name.
Amen.
Maybe
Aja mamen ko chronicle mutaw.
Okay.
Na Tony why ready for video ne to soma me na.
Ghana for mre nso wo me ha.
Oh okay. Yanko MBB for her. Oh.
Omo ye training.
where your polling station be?
I didn't see me. I want MBB for. We it will be chrome.
Where tag of peace and
it will be chrome man for electoral area. Regional officer ya soma no so wonko hwe abato no so ma eastern region enyina region na nemu and one candidate bi ko no we or the power we
yeah na police for ne park oh yeah
we e ko plus area
ona bujai
regional rep your friend is in team it's my body di say me can say me can me 2 minutes me chire sie kwam 2 minutes fi so
na wo ye de ne hu so no
ajay na nyi ene o ma jira no bi eni video ye sinti
mfoni ne ye ne bi ase wo
aja wasi munya we dey compare power
we no ka we officer na okwa oversee
yes
from region okwa so ama
we Jeffunadu mu na asoma no say Jeffunadu is eastern regional chairman enti Jeffunadu mu na asoma no from regional office say won go see region na name and we say police for kra nya no nkokun
no the candidate na
so why any day we na say won he omo internal election police station abato okro omo to say bi workout ebi bro omo
side
na so ame de ebi workout akot ka ka tell me say by 26 omo ntimi ensesi a ono a depend be twa omo election na omo yenu
na say we dey normal
and me just say they have seen a lot of eso musua de efim bo mu nsua de e dey say so mu nye serious
edru constituency
book for na so mu nsua de
na say we book knowledge efie de no ma to atwene da bia ye de book no ma to fie de na atwene
we internal elections say ya dia esi but we are not
yeah can say we dey college na no say ba ko frɛ ka e be ka to me de no say am pa MPP for nye serious omo de e be duru ho
okay
omo de e be ba
we ahosisi a omo de be ko 2028 no
ai enti ntokwa no we say no omo be kwa kokko ntokwa no
say no ti ni appoint chief for said
no abe coordinating ntokwa say
there be
oh we ka ho
yeah resolve
strategy
and now Dr. Bawumia nkoduru eyi honom baby asemi wokoti onu ankasa
omo timi aka abronye ne Canada Japan asem na wi
Hassan Ben no
wo mo ntam ntokwa na da ho no matimi aka wi
ntokwa da
wo wa ja man pretend so
ntokwa ben
na
pretend me ka wanim so me asa me de so me nka wanim ya na
no ne birthday was wo
na no nko mu si ne kura ma na nante akono thank you to na nko mu si ne kura ma na nante akono
ko mu si wan
ko mu si wo fa se ma na nante no wo matimi aka no awi ade anso no eja ma ko se mu fu adwempo okro ne ko mu na
quotation e ba ne yepon
se mu fu adwempo ne da yes ai if students na we free mu no na o ka say in fact say ye nam so ne the reforms e de ba ye senior high schools no mu na nya sa de a e be ha adwene pa Chronicles say ya yen kenkan Isaiah 41:13 Isaiah 41:13
Apam Dadaa no
for I the Lord your God will hold your right hand saying to you fear not
okay
I will help you we know what kind of sompa or can sompa fear not
yeah meboa
mesi meboa say na me awurade wo nyankopon me kura wo nifa we kura wo nifa mu na say dey na me se wo say nsuro
miara
meboa sompa
na me na aka
mamu nsuro
evangelist Dana Semwa
ai
na yi han
wo fa free ye enti sompa fo niemu kan enemo be kan asem a obeye dede se wo ba koye wo mo na no amafo asase etoto short ne de ba ne mo mamu nsuro monka o se kan asem no bre esem ni bre boni mu kan nyina eje monfa nkomo yinfa ma Giraffe Publications PO Box 169 Nima
Giraffe Publication o ma
ana ne office location no Free Pipe Road Nyabotre Daily Post na madru so yi Free Pipe Road the telephone number is 0244884555
o wia na wo hu admi
editor na friend Michael Dokosi
okay
ono ma yensa ho nyina ye fi o Daily Post mu no ma chere na chira kwan 2026 World Cup we say Black Star as Ghana beat Panama wadi aba eno ho nkomo wa ha se ya ono so ni nyina wadi ho nkomo nyina de aba jam de asi Daily Post wa say ye table so nyina ma chere na chira kwan
so no so na match no watwa ni nyina
enti na ma chere na chira kwan se mon kan chere say ink no say on top na wo hwie gusu a wonyan na wo say ye table so say ye ntade em onsi ye ntade ma yen won to samana ma yen won to nsuo ma yen enen kran nsuo bo de
yen so na ama
Chronicle printing the aba Ghanaian Times aba Daily Guide Daily Democrat o nyina de o mo de aba o ma printing ono kwa de wo hwie nki gum no
won nti ne ye chedi na
Ghanaian Times Daily Post for ma chiro ma chira kwan no
won say jam ni mu no ma sha ase
o time no nso ye
aka 2 minutes
eja so mu na time no nso ye
Ghanaian Times obokrata no e na wo de aba beto akire moto Mr Black ni wote ne moto so wagina afei mi hu adraafo no nso ya wo mo atwi bus nom ene honorable wo de sompa container yin so na wo mo nyina agina bi kwan na wo mo atwa ba beto wo no wo hwe de wo kana was a nightmare on Accra Nsawam Road worsens as bad section of Dobro Achimota cause gridlock show ɛno na ɛda ha no nti ɛho mfoni ɛda hɔ ɛno yɛ deɛ ɔdoma nkoma wo ka sɛ wɔn mu ntumi nwie ho adwuma no a
ɛno
oh okay
so me say by end of June say ne date yɛ
sɛ June mu ne yɛwɔ
ɛne date yɛ sɛn
ɛne 18
akada sɛn akada dumienu ɔma bon
police intercept truck load of Indian herb at Afienya anope kaseɛ no madwo abɔ so ɛno nso na Ghanaian Times atwa ya wɔde aba mfante pem de ɛno nso wɔmfa nhunta ya anope wɔtwa ɛde aba betumu bie. Parliament Select Committee on Energy urges ANEL to sell product locally ɛno nso anope ɛwɔ ha yɛbɔ so ɛde ama yɛtiefo na Ghanaian Times say inflation eforo kosoro nkakra 5.8% na we no kura no me boso me no mode ye no nso ewo ha Ghana ne Cote d'Ivoire yakwa akosan entiase apam yakwa akopam a koko ne bo no ene eho ade no mo ne obese producer price no ye betimi ekutamu yie se baabi de enkonya baabi na ne nyina betimi agina ne naso pepe ama akuafo a wono mo wo sa ansa homa no ho nyina nso no wɔn bedi ɛso emfaso na president vice appointees donate 6 million to mama cares sase mi nso no yɛkasa yɛbɔkoro ya so no yɛbɔso ɛde amamo sabre amansa braso ɛno ɛne yɛfrɛ ne sɛ Ghana speaks no yɛbɛba mo nkyɛn na afi yɛba abɛfa mo nso madwenkyerɛ na sade na mebusa sɛ wanhwɛ ball no bi na Ninyina Black Stars in Kunimudie ewaha. World Bank approved 300 million to end SHS double track system. What the Eura Haruna Edusum Funi Aba Betu Echiri. And Afi was under Betua say GES to roll out nationwide drug campaign against 3 neglected disease. Na sa neglected disease here woka ho aseme Adwoa Asare. Ase yemfa ye ne nkoso. Nanso ebubu ya pre pa. Sa ya de no ena wose ebino de friend say schistomiasis ebi friend bilharzia ena afi ba ko bi nso a ebi friend no lymphatic filariasis no nso no
eno ne ya de no
elephantiasis
na wo kan say no
oh say ya na omo ne
side effect no ya de
on a scientific term
scientific
Dr. Sisters more
scientific ni
Dr. Blaze first be who as
you can on trust
me boss ya Dr. Blaze de hu
ye hu ye
Dr. Sisters hu
ye jani mu hu ye
sentina o ko doctor
owrobo hu ye
na ye tire duro ma wanya na
akafia hu ye
ye wo mo mu ye
every fam hu ye ABC ni abedem wo mu hu ye
o mo na kan Ghana Health Service will conduct a mass drug administration MDA campaign against the 3 neglected tropical disease from June 20th to July 3rd, 2026. The exercise is expected to reach nearly 8 million eligible people with preventive medications for anthracis medication.
What's it?
No, a friend say river blindness. 0260 1960 0260 1960 what the doctor for no bemwa won be boss said dey mekan yi enye sa na te ana na menhwe de gina ha hwan na aba iwudi ne bia wo frefi
papa
hura akafi ani o na kantamanto bako de
adwole mo pipe wa bibia boko de ka abaya osisi di ankenye eno anaja eni so bankro
okay
yedi ka ma me bo mabaso na me tia me papa bo atenja ko a oba national chairman just because you are cement God ya salve dia konso ba director of communication ana Moses Abo also a greater Accra organizer. Now we also greater Accra organizer. And now Oscar and the Fabian Panso and Yasio Kim organizer. And Nana with council communication. Our Abba West. Apam and I was a bono, sit we come once mana. Ha and not so okay bona. In fact, and go for the air for the Zonaka over a palace. How many palace are no more clips ahead? na mo ka Jordan asem me me born in ha asema ba mi mo anta na coach wo to ye ni the one say ye ni Jordan fima me dunya me se ka go na ma because players wo omukuta adekase the 170 kwai of pass o ma ye say go what are the and follow almost in the papa I mean the employer me body say the next match no we will say we have 4 points our qualify you yes regular say you get the next match and that say you be need another track what you use more what you say that omo amaka and am the toso you best play abai no yes we able ball na yin any agility na enye ma bi cost na nya ani enka you best play kokko pia ball what you want go di abai akwa ko ye one fair price no omo nyina di omo nyina me nya sure go di omo ntia se go mo me proper the job ya go ebe bi kokko yi boya de nka mo de na do di ma here and go bi ankasa 25 verse cancer cra with 25 million and the rest of Ghana for 2028 MPP woman ye titanen tino and ya the nyen kenya wo mbako because we want to papa so we say get back and ya could be no 2028 2029 what time we go about the president
Ele nyame to aso udi ne bia o frefi
akapia you want to come
Obrempong
Apam Dadaa Ubaso mo we dey
nyame ahu ye mo ba Obrempong na mo nso e
you want to go down ma ba me na ka o mai me na so na go mo kura kura Apam Dadaa Obrempong Adwoa Asare ana mi nipa no ye president bo
Jerry
Jerry justice yes na ni ti o papa no mo papa my somebody I read down with the money. I get a woman organizer that will have put you a banner, the mission that be a whoop your oh, no, let me the hooker. Not one time, what you're down for. What can it cat? One another content again to stand. I promote the call. And I got the other video, but all communication director, Papa Baunia, the Archer president, and I know the communication director. No, Obrempong. And no more boy, you know. But yeah, the battle of Obrempong can't say, and people go serious when I say, oh, Apam Dadaa.
Obrempong na ekon
Obrempong what you got? You people say, oh my God, who you visited? Now when you're oh my God, and to Obama, who you visited? What are you telling me? And you serious, Katra. And Ghana Blaster, maybe I'm saying. We can radio station to bring there. You need to have a bit of qualify from good stage. Why? You're from the Zembo. The you name.
Jordan.
Oh, shit. Oh, boy, a cat. I had to coach you in the film. Said them, yes. I'll be in the film. In the film. Only by a ball, so you won't be now. But I mentioned over there. You need to tell you will free the power. Yet you did not go back. Take a movie, because I'm sorry. Oh, yes, because players then a coachable. Player then a coachable. Much boy a capital.
Any yame to aso udi bia o frefi
na ya kasati tabora
boko de
nyankopon adom adwenkese jombo adu me ma me hawa cruising na obi akoso usu a income ageta akra organizer Moses about Chris Lloyd, the champion before Minia MPP is serious. And then it's important serious about our MPP. Now, Abron Jane, you can Japan some. A part if we ask them, you better as you basically politics there.
Unyan French.
Yeah, then another plan. So I say.
Okay.
But if on a book and Japan, you can Abron, you're brilliant.
Udi ni bia o frefi
Opani kase mate
ejo so mu
e ba jo Frank na ro ni o do me nyina me yo
mo do me yo Frank me yentio
yo mamenchi ame papa ona bo John Lakabo aka do the do oba for do me kwa de nya for organizer make a say the on the organizer but young grassroots you show more than what any boy for Mabuna or Domic Abenya. Yeah, Mabuna can one boom because don't be a panel and a piano. Yeah, the name of main organizer. No, you to me, no, from why I because someone get that position, and no more the boy from Common Park. It is don't like about the piano and Mr. Brown, policy committee. Hey, I didn't want, and then it's near Ghana because for my point, how many Bonifor who we have Bata or Ghana and Fire. Internet, the Bonabata, opening MPP, NDC, difference a woman, a better free domain, basically, Kama. MPP form the chain, and next year, Papa Mahama buy a penny between Sieni, Ghana need Bia, boom, assistant, so I get that Bonnie more, assistant Yem. Is a dear Abu Bia Brabum, Sinia, and National Board I Ghana for Copo. Campania politics and Rami market heavy to over me who say yes, Ghana for and come over Papa. The see, Kura Muni Panin, Papa Mahama, Aya Panibia, or no the Onion Yimu, Onion Bibi, Onion DC, Waka Ghana for the album, and no who the Papi and Sabia, whom you know, as a Ghana dish. Who waiting for them, and I in here. Last time I met Jacobo, who had Ghana Libya money to get to that because here work for a bino. You go to Beaton. They have a Pamama. Everything is all sign. They were all 3 cars and money to Ghana for you. And Linia, yet you don't ask for the team. I'm and I'm from that day. I'm here. You be a next match. Very and I have to go for. Then you have a Pamama. I see no Macasama Bibia to Dia. There's so much of one say. I'm an MP before Nada. There's so much of you. You didn't say you took a more butcher. Ghana I'm a fear for no one because we look at the number you can you and then the before that I'm not going to
that's it. And oh dear, we didn't be out free fee.
Apam
I knew.
Whom we are calling me.
I'm a more
more.
Calling Santa and pay.
My boy, my near say, Yakupoya Duma, a co-deputy communication officer. I will true book on the
no correct.
More.
Yamemo and Iswadi who know them.
Amen. Share Naya Queen, Mamishia, Justice Yabua, incoming Deputy National Organizer. Here, Ghana Blaster, Ashi Yam, Ena Minia Frank, Akasisiano. Say, every year, nature man, now bind it is war. I will say, what they have found Yamanose, but Moya Cassin is here. Not Ghana Blaster, and Yakono. Yakono, Baku say, it's so easy. No national team and a Bokurapa. No channel, no be teaching, send us a yifu, and any answer. We do the same. Ghana Tadi, the Jumu, upon two, which say, did about Papa. Yakupon Shira Brasta, no shop as the Mahaman DC. Upon the you. What is say, yes, Papa,
Also, I then.
Matisse, what born the chief of staff, the former majority leader.
What Bonnie didn't say, or no, affairs, said the chief of staff.
Campaign, I say,
I want to campaign money in the Jumadian name.
Oh, and it's fine. Because that should be chief of staff. Ghana force the country and say, Ghana for any ready. Soon die that. See, better man keep the opportunity for the next academic year. So the finance minister, former finance minister, no one. He never time that you know, money so ABC, we can. The young Concord dancing, that should be by 20 years. The deputy the finance minister who are called Afghanistan, Russia, now for the Omani Yakuanisa, MPP, never again in the history of Ghana.
May I say, I know dear, we didn't be out free.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
But I want to say,
Yamia, we are mobile, a free fanny.
And we are free far.
Can't a man to walk until and pay.
Yo. Monyet mapa moye bo manjana monkupu nshiramo oma munyansa ani adin kese ukia ubibia oyejuma wo Sompa FM eto so biem na bobo atiaja akon na obuka na ya kan atende asem no de yes sir and come on in here and then see na ye pe openi bo cheja akon obe che na man and come na ke owura ken ene abronye omo tembe do am ye na so the power no fi la mama dem apamwe in your mind is go ba almost shaft ya kasa no say football no dey enfanye politics e dey enfanye politics omo kasa no ma sa dey abeti so and na be chair mu and na me e bobolo na enam say adna enfanye politics and ka o ka so dey politics ya kan you say ye nti na ya na eguru bia ya na o mine ye bia against them no aban bia ba be ni de ko nti eduru so na so ho be ya na ho be ye and na ba bia so na Debu, you Mahama on the mouth will be cut off until Getiana. A tomb living a couple of barn was here a Friday, African way. You Mahama to back on top of Wednesday. And it will be a show for one and set up Papa Naba. Now, someone says Friday when, and another one in a Friday when. It will be a more funny making a policy. But I'm not come out and to blaster no dey said dey dey be ko enim dey Ghana ni Ghana no ye friend no nya dey mu ba keka na anu dey agency team no aso fi yewura mahama ye friend bebre ko no sem no die yes friend the team na you feel you won chia ye and ye ben dey bi no feel so no feel na ye say ye ben so no nya sika fa no onya so so when you talk about the NDC free afi when you talk about the NDC afi
that's it wouldn't be our free
Metonka.
Ajani moni. Ajani mo yanko.
Bala si fona ba kika bi afan. Yo ajo
that's quiet you.
Oh, kaja nje na nya ta ti bi ka se me ne ko kla so ma mu so di go ba. Oh, Tirozo. Anya agro. Beni Andre. Yen kom se kapa.
Okay. Ono afraid and so.
Ba na me na ye bi bo be ma. Na ye juma no. Ndi ka chere no. Omba nwaje why?
Atiemu.
Manje je kejena sekati na womi. Akoshe wusu a ono ba so kuta Accra Women National Organizer. Ne. Ana board na service akuma woni pa no. On kecha, ono so band ne. Is Lord. Only for youth organizer. Ana Mojisa boy, on youth organizer Greater Accra. Also bad in the yo and I bobo next to the Ghana for Mutimia. You Munyan like man. Why? The bobo knew was in the catcher and a catcher. Take your yoke on idea. Mama young to take up. What does the coach will be there? Or a catcher and 3 coach here or 100 or no. And you're 100 or you. Eventually, at the Bromera. Yamabo, or Banashri or Atupia. The amount of Ghana, ye can because almost about something million maybe. One and ye say, Ghana name.
No, correct.
There was two the amount of only I said, Ghana, Nibraba. And give my young and yet, what I say. And I make a Japan, a Bronya at the Kakra. And the campaign will start in one of Dana Manamuna, but if you really be your power, and you won't come maybe be coach election time of the year, you're going to go. But someone you party will be to opponent to be to make a tap. Tell you, we turn a young woman. No one will be anymore, and we in your case, we are. Don't forget it. No, we are bye bye. But
that's no dear. Una chat to Odin be our free.
Hello.
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 Yeah, no, yes. Yes. Yes, I'm because every second.
More into.
The person is saying Ghana for you now, say. And this guy or Bono. You what? I didn't do on mine. It's your question. Yes, you are a party media. You bet me to another year. I'm for say a cuckoo to cry. This is Yamana. Then this is one of the other politics. Football, yeah, Bokran. Most of the people are this is what I use. Limited a bonus. I said a bubble. Yaba, United Mahana, Brahma, United Mahama 12. The other bra. Your finance are giving more mine.
ya da wonya fadi de do boye nyina nyamfo mu o man no obi nye mahama ni eno obi nye kuku adi ni ne je mo ba ma chete ti han be mo pese mahama ni eni bi ka se mahama ko ni no be ba ti bia na dia dia ba tuka ro man ni pressure be to man ni mo nye fa di papa ni nyina ye nsusu so ya obe ball coach ni e ma no pai apa ti telefone na sele ti ba coach no ri aba sa be ball so bo na ma kwa ni tika ni mo be bi ebi te na ta ke ba yi ba sa ba ko ro fa no ba ko ro fa kwa na kwa ni tika ni mo ba be bi ka stadium mo bo so bo so mo hu abu be kwa ba aba be dia da ka for stadium
we de duabana yo ye de wasi na ne nyina no kai hunu se ye kasa anope kasa na kira mineral water ensu papa de ebi wada ba mu dispenser na wo mo san won to anketoa adantamu ne akese wo de wo sahye mu a ne bo efo na esan so ye papa back hospital echi no okutaye mu anope ene ye besom wo na anope me koso atia wo na so Endpoint Homeopathy Clinic Dr. Adwoa Asare Dr. Kwaten ena no pay wo mo de homeopathy enkomo no ebebre yen enti tenase na wampatre ankoto yade breko a na wani na ho so na ye kana saa no enye wo mo nko anope aboafo bi ka ho na no mamenko do mankoma ene adwoa ho na fi yenwie
aja haja special local foods baby ekodidi no baby aduan papa no no nra ansa na ye babebo match no na ye di kan ko haja ha
okay
because last time match obebo na wan peka kra ntomu a
mu didi ansa
udi sabi hu anu watwa hwe ntem rank se den kamanfo betwa hwe haja se den nra haja agye nkrofo no yemfa se da ma haja because nyo no a kenipa bebre ne wo mu okomam mesre pa haja special local foods aduane papa fie owo hacho atomic kwan so ho a aduane bia woni gye ho a wonim di bia no ko haja ho na kwaje wodi esisi a ana wintimi nkwa Alfred delivery dem family esisi a 0246 359 921 0246 359 921 and 0594 797215 0594 797215 na opese ne sompa bonkomo opese ne sompa kasa opese one bia wo kire wadwen bi opese obebo odweton de ho dawuru wo sompa 106.5 akra pepacho baby awo bia no ha ho de ensan mororeka ana entop fuel ensan se breni adaje na breni ho je numbers no na frey 0531 886 216 0531 886 216 jini bio 0531 886 216 o de ofra o WhatsApp a o SMS a o voice note a o telegram a number ba ko no a eyeye ne a ebeba na ene wo abo enkomo
mo c'est bon
c'est oui
yo ko
aja men fan mana
ko na de
e usa
no de amount
wow ani
mani ina no aye no
amo ani eje ani ma me moni mienu
okay
na yini kan fan free Attorney General's office. Ghana Attorney General kan friend say
Dominic Ayene.
Doctor no on the only doctor ni bi.
Doctor.
Doctor. Doctor Dominic Ayene. Esquire. Akuretenga. Na no obeka kire ye say o ma start processes bi o me kan ofori ata be. Enche o mo ko fa kan ofori ata de naba. Aba na be face mra. Emo o ka kire ye say Kenoforiata or ya we say Kenoforiata high top lawyers. But unsuru. Obefa na fi US aba. Sa top lawyers na unsuru wo mo no. Omo na akodi ama Kenoforiata na konya green card. O say free wo every wo.
Tobo himfo na akodi ama.
Obeka kire akurutenga beka kire yen say.
Dr. Dominic Ayene.
Dr. Dominic Ayene akurutenga. Abeka kire yen say.
Attorney General.
Kasa tenten na entoponko no. Obeka bi kire yen say. When we say Kenoforiata high top lawyers were US, or the defender na ho. Name one no.
Our government accountability series.
Mo wala.
Okay.
Name one no. Sir Akurutenga. We show sa top lawyers ne go US. Enti kwan bia so. We be dim kunima twi Kenoforiata de aba. Kenoforiata de top lawyers na onsuru wo mo no. E de akwaji green card. Besi ne on card de e wo ho.
Na say oji green card no nkyere say oni.
Besine ono kasa de onim kasa. Me hwe
green card ne che say on tu kwan ko ba bia.
Eja anya say on tu kwan. Ba say wabe permanent resident o US. Permanent resident o US.
It is US ni.
Eje Sir,
sana pesa ochire why
anya sana me pesa me kire
permanent residency and they just say yibi keke
eja
time na so
besine Dr. Akurutinga Dominic Ayene omo wampo papa no makase Attorney General Dibre no
da be na omo kan
da be na residency
anya Tuesday na ba
anya Tuesday
ene da be
Tuesday ne ba ye no
oh na government accountability over head wo gina
ora ye kase ora afo yi omo adwuma omo yi ne nkrofo anipa omo so omo nemu omo ora mu omo na kan yo number no omo se yesen over he omo be kan nipa bebre ahe uyi wa ha ba hanan ne na yere na uyi ayi papa ya
chama
untumi de na ora mu na ka ora ho eno nka ora ho ayi reverend Amisha dai mo uyi wo mu die na yi adubu ahe eno na yere e de free ho a ora no de ahe biem no ate apart from kanoforiata ora no de ahe biem no ate enso ye be kasa bebre papa no a wo ya Attorney General no munya no communicator o munya no party communicator no kasa de wonim kan emo action no de a little
se mre bi atwam no mo na mo complain se mo nte hwe mfiri bi aban
dabi anya se ye nte hwe mfiri aban ho na emom ono no onte se nansem wo cross 30 ne kasa nya Ghana fo ka chen so social media Attorney General kasa tenten ento bongo kasa tenten with no action with no action o kana wo de action ka ho a
nti sin ka action be na wo pa
action no ne se ne wontimi me ka enti no ka ne abetimi aye me dia no me nsuro I am not afraid of them
dia wo he na wa kan wo so wontimi
no
Korea tenya permanent
o be ka chere se unnim da bi otie me problem ne se unnim se wa high top lawyers ba wo America
no because so onim se wa high top lawyers ba unsura we boni be na wu
I no chere say you were on that time no krampo na sa extradition process no say na so ma bon no mu nim ye ya me kan say process no kra mu nim ye o ma me kan kire ye so mo paper keke no amotro process na mo de ko say ye hia knofo eno kra mo ntimi antro enso be gina be press conference eja ma me fa isi ona me ko interior
rank e ba ne send ye extradite said na
said na makufu at the time no start you said na ekufu at the time no start me akagi record
sade kro no mo ntu copy na
wo anti eno na cha say kasa nti nsanka wo ubetimi aya obi aye bi hwesola we bi
to copy
keke eno ani di keke na abesesa na o di signature abase
wa kotro no Esther mo akojo
ube hu no so akotro mo akojo su Esther ejama me nko interior ministry na me nya adwuma ketua bi ho
interior
muntaka ho ena no adwo ambeka kire o se interior ministry or politics bi ekoso ho no say yanhwe yi a
so
security services na e Ghana ha no fire service prison service immigration service eja politics na ekoso ho no now before I ever 2024 elections na immigration officers e do am ko election duty ya table wo mudin e office na kita Kevin Taylor bobo US the same people are leaking some information the mark Kevin Taylor no and now na steer the affairs of Ghana immigration service that is why in 34 year na no be kan o masem wo ha kire wi omodi HND ni diploma e call ya yesi e be mo on say o de sa certificate le kwa e wo rank aye de ma me ne wo kasa sesi e omo letters are ready ye de koma wom ye de omo nyina e kwaso om de SS ne bae because ye fa I'm telling you honestly
because ye fa
our MPP time nti me so they should come and deny what I'm saying me say I am daring them to come to deny what I'm saying. And I'm one abu muntaka be ka kire yen se mi gusu wo hwa
wo mo edi HND ko ye
any diploma ko ye they are letters are ready enra mama ma wade enra na deputy comptroller wo one of the radio stations wa Accra almost one be introduce e-visa and nema and na off air obi busa ne say adan na mo ye nkrofo isa asema all kachire no it was off air I am putting that on record but asema all kachire no ne say ono kra no it took him 7 years to get ne rank into won so de e would kodi akire na wo de ba nya hwe deputy comptroller
ya brenti
tit for tat
and I want to Muntaka be trying to watch there or mind say press conference and the press release be kanta Obrempong say omo ba betua omo rent allowance dia mo de omo e dia come salary ho busa fire service immigration service na busa prison service omu hwan ye de rent allowance aka na salary ho till now up till now fire for rent allowance yentua up till now fire for rent allowance akam up till now prison officers conditions of service enya na America the rot our interior ministry Muntaka is supervising na
honorable
Muntaka is supervising and I know abamba bi beka che so mo parliament we nyina kro mo nka no kre wo nya no kwafo na obi anya no kwafo mde na boka di
kwakweye ma ye fa mo nkoma rap so bo ya ko ene adwene no ho adwuma sit in your hot se omunya de usi so wasamo ede kura won soro na ato sesewo Ghana today ahana ne yedi usi Ochi Adwoa Asare Esquire yanka na oduma nkoma chiame Obrempong na kwakwa mpomate nenka Efu emani Abredi ye kona fe Sompa Rhapsody no aba wakwan mu eno na eye wakoma eye adwene no ene wusu ne oban no ho adwuma no Nansa na no ma remfi se babia wonyare wa no atwe wo ede wo kwa sabi wa ho nkwa na ye tie no Endpoint Homeopathy Clinic obema wo nkwa na asa aye tenten bra Dr. Kwaten atena se na yebedi nkomo enti enya fidie ne mfiri ha na de ye wode sombo no edoso pa esene pi